Good morning, everyone. Okay, so keep your notepad, pen ready. Okay, keep your notepads, pen, or diary ready with you. Keep a water bottle with you so that you never miss even a single word from me. All right. So after 2 years, I'm conducting this webinar. Now I think it should be okay. Right now, you are able to see my screen. Once again, I welcome you all for enrolling for this 100th batch special webinar, Price Action Trading with KGS. Now, before going to the session, initially I have raised a poll. What is your experience in trading? How many years of experience you have in trading? In your Zoom application at the bottom, you can see poll section. Click that poll section and you can answer that poll very quickly. Only few people have not yet answered. So check the Zoom application at the bottom. You can see a poll section. Click that, quickly answer the poll. Okay, let me end the poll and let me share the results in front of you. So how many years of experience you have in trading? You are looking at the results. 36% of our participants are having around 1 to 2 years experience. So less than 1 year experience and between less than 1 year to 2 years experience, almost 71% of our participants, are having less than 2 years experience. And the remaining 30%, they are having 2 to 3 and more than 3 years of experience. Now, when it comes to less than 1 year experience or around 1 to 2 year experience, you will be having a distracting mindset in trading. When it comes to trading, those who are having less than 2 year experience, you will be having a jumping mindset. This indicator to that indicator, this mentor to that mentor, this workshop to that workshop, this webinar to that webinar. You will be having a distraction in your mind. You will be having a jumping mindset. So first of all, you have to realize that you have to promise yourself that this is the last webinar I am going to attend in trading. After this webinar, I am going to be a profitable, successful trader. You have to promise yourself. Those who are having more than 2 year, 3 year experience, they would have experienced this already. They would have already attended a lot of webinars. They would have already attended a lot of workshops everywhere. They would have seen a lot of mentors. And finally, they would have realized that learning a lot of strategies is not going to help you in any way. Learning a lot of strategies, following a lot of trainers, following a lot of traders, it is not going to help you. For looking at a lot of videos in the YouTube channel, since it is available for free. See, people are earning a lot from YouTube channel, but that is not my motto. If I want to earn from YouTube, then I would have posted about RSI indicator. I would have posted about super trend indicator. I know how to use RSI super. Almost I know how to use more than 20 indicators because I worked in stock broking firms initially. I worked in Carvey stockbroking. I worked in Zerodha. I worked in Spider Software, which is basically a stock market software company. So I know how to use more than 20 indicators, right? I can make videos. I can make a lot of money from YouTube. I can earn a lot of subscribers, but you cannot see any other topic. You cannot see any other indicator apart from CPR indicator. So you are looking at a lot of videos which is available for free in YouTube, and you are distracting yourself. These things would have been realized, self-realized by people who are having more than 3 years of experience, and they try to settle down with a particular concept. So, okay, this price action trading looks easy for me. This CPR indicator looks easy for me. Let me settle down with this indicator. All right. So almost 71% of our participants are having less than 2 years of experience. So this is the first advice I will give you. Stop watching all the videos in YouTube. Stop following everybody in Twitter. Stop looking at others' profit screenshots, because that is going to hurt you. That is seriously going to hurt you. Stop looking at other people, what indicator he is using, what strategy is using, and start focusing on one strategy. Focus on one particular method and practice it again and again. All right. So that is the purpose I created this poll. How many years of experience you are having in trading? Okay. Now, so you all know very well about me. So I started my first trading in 2014. I don't know anything about trading. Few of my friends, parents were doing trading during my college days. They used to say, my dad made 10,000 today. He was happy. We are going for weekend here, there. Few day scholars, they used to tell me. My father invested in this particular company, and that company is down today. Today he will be very sad. He will be polemifying with me. They used to tell me, okay, today so lot of days we used to discuss about stock market. My dad is doing this, my dad is doing that. My father is a CA. He knows about investing. He knows about this thing. So lot of college talks goes like this. How we can earn money through part-time jobs. Can we go for any catering jobs in part-time? Can we go for any marketing jobs in part-time? Now there are many college students who are earning in their part-time. They are earning through Swiggy delivery, Zomato delivery, Dunzo delivery. A few people are driving Ola, Uber, Rapido. So there are a lot of avenues now for a college student who wants to earn and learn, who wants to do a part-time job. But in 2014, there is no sufficient opportunity to do a part-time job. So we were just discussing how we can make money like that. So in that way, one of my friend told, my father is doing stock market. Even you can try it. I'm also trying to learn stock market from my father, but he is never teaching me. So he used to say like that. So, okay, why don't we open an account? So immediately I opened an account with Carvey Stockbroking and I started to trade. So that was my first trade. And till 2017, I don't know anything about stock market. Simply I buy. Okay, I'm having 5,000 rupee in my account. Let me buy this Camlin shares. Camlin shares were around 10 rupee. Okay, let me buy 100 shares. I can buy for 1,000 rupee. And another 1 or 2 days, it will go 1 rupee or 2 rupee up. Okay, I have made profit. Let me sell it off. So like this, simply randomly doing till 2017. I don't know anything. And after 2017, I realized in 2017, when I am leaving my college, when I completed my BTech, I decided not to go for a job. My aim was to become an entrepreneur in 2017 when I am completing my BTech engineering. So what I decided, I should not go for a job. I want to become an entrepreneur. The stock market looks good. So let me learn and let me try doing trading or investing. So in 2017, I am trying to learn a stock market, whether I'm following a lot of, from 2017, I know PR Sundar. From 2017, I know Jagadishan Dureraj. I know a lot of people right from 2017 itself, because I have been following them from 2017 in Facebook. I am a friend of PR Sundar from 2017. I guess from 2016. So I used to follow them. Okay, who will teach this? Who will teach this? So I was searching for a lot how to learn the stock market, and then I decided, okay, let me work in Carvey. I'm having a stock market trading account with Carvey. So I decided, okay, let me work with Carvey. Let me ask those people to teach me. So I decided to go for a job in Carvey Stockbroking. So that the RM was asking me, you are engineering student, you are coming for stockbroking. The salary is just 12,000 rupee. How you will manage? Sir, no problem, sir. I love stock market. I want to learn stock market. So he gave me a job in stock market in Carvey Stockbroking. And that RM was a good person. He taught me technical analysis. He taught me the basics of technical analysis. What is a chart? What is a candlestick? What is head and shoulder? What is double top, double bottom? What is support, resistance? Everything he taught me. After that, I learned all the technical analysis from him. And I started to realize that, okay, I have to move to Chennai. I have to move to, so till 2017, I did my college engineering in Chennai. And after completing my college, I went to my native and I worked in Carvey stockbroking. After working in Carvey stockbroking for 6 months, I decided, okay, I have to go back to Chennai because Chennai is having a lot of potential for stock market than my native. So in my native, nobody knows about stock market, but in Chennai, everybody knows about stock market. So I moved to Chennai in 2017. And then I started to look for stock market jobs. Now I know technical analysis. Now I want to learn in depth about technical analysis. I want to learn all the indicators. My RM, my relationship manager, he taught me only technical analysis. He taught me only double top, double bottom, head and shoulder, flag and pennant, head, support, resistance, everything. He never taught me about indicators. So to learn about indicators, I decided to switch my job in Chennai. I tried ICICI Securities, I tried Kotak Securities, but I felt that there will be work pressure. There is nothing to learn. Because in Carvey stockbroking, I am an equity dealer. My job is to put orders for the call and trade clients. The clients will call me, hello, sir, what is your client ID? Okay, XYZ. Okay, sir, tell me, I want to buy 10 shares of TCS. Okay, 10 shares of TCS. What is the current market price? He's asked me. I tell sir, the current market price is 1,150. Okay, place 10 shares. Okay, sir, placed. That's all. So this is my job. So when I'm coming to Chennai and when I'm looking for a job in ICICI Securities, Kotak Securities, I realized that this is the job I'm going to do again and again. So I was trying for a different job and then I landed in Spider Software. So even you can check in Google, Spider Software is basically a stock market software company. Spider Software India. So this is where I worked. I worked here for almost another 8-9 months, I guess. Okay. So I worked in this company for another 8-9 months. And here I learned all the indicators, how to combine the indicators, how to use scanners. No, I learned everything, all indicators, how to use harmonic pattern, how to use Dow theory, how to use Elliott wave theory, learned everything from this software company. And again, what I did, remember, my job is to become an entrepreneur. My aim, my ambition is to become an entrepreneur. My ambition is to become a trader. So I worked in these companies to learn. I worked there only for temporary. After 6 months, after 8 months, I came out of Spider Software. In Spider Software, I learned all the indicators, everything in 2000. This happened around second part of 2017 and in the first part of 2018. So in 2018, the work pressure started to build up. No, when I'm in 8 months of working period, the manager started to give me targets. Why I came to Spider Software to learn only technical analysis. I learned and then I quitted the job. And now again, I was trying to trade on my own. My brothers and sisters, they gave money. I'm trying to trade with indicators, with head and shoulder, support, resistance, everything. But still I'm losing. Why I am losing, where I'm losing, I don't know. Even I tried option selling. I learned option selling. I hope you all know about Jagadishan Tureraj, IT Jagan. He taught me one-to-one session in 2017. I learned options from him. No, I learned options. I don't know anything about options. He taught me in and out about options trading in 2017. I learned from IT Jagan, Jagadishan Tureraj, personally. So even after learning this much, so I know options, I know technical analysis, I know indicators, still I'm not profitable. Now I'm jobless for 2-3 months. Now I cannot ask for money to my brothers and sisters again and again. So I decided to go for job to earn so that I can trade as well. In that way, I landed in Zerodha. So I went for working in Zerodha. So there they were giving somewhere around 20,000 per month. I decided to work in Zerodha so that I can earn 20,000. I can trade with 10,000 rupee and I can keep 10,000 for myself. And in Zerodha, I worked for 6 months. In that 6 months, I did not learn anything from Zerodha. I went for Zerodha only for earning. When I was in Zerodha, I was having a lot of friends from Facebook group. Even now, there are a lot of trading groups in Facebook everywhere. So I was a part of a lot of Facebook trading groups. They create some WhatsApp group and they add me also. So I was in more than 3-4 stock market trading WhatsApp groups. In that WhatsApp group, I got a good friend called he's Amit from Pune. He told me, Shankar, you are interested in price. You are interested in technical analysis. You are interested in trading. Why don't you try price action trading? You are not profitable using indicators. You are not profitable in options. Why don't you try price action trading? I'm following Frank Ochoa. I'm following this Secret of Pivot Boss book. Why don't you follow that book? So we both started to learn price action trading. We started to go through the Secret of Pivot Boss book. We learned together. We shared ideas. We learned about moving average combination. And then what happened? He started to become profitable. And basically he's from Pune. He knows only little English. He knows only Hindi. And somehow after 2018, we lost our contact. And then what happened? I took this price action trading seriously. I was just wondering how the CPR indicator is so simple. I have been using a lot of indicators when I was working in Spider Software. Our job is to combine a lot of indicators and we have to select a good quality stock. We have to create the best scanner using Spider Software, and we have to give the scanner to our clients. So if you are using Spider Software, you might have been knowing that. Okay, in Spider Software, what we do is we create a combination of lot of scanners. We combine RSI, Super Trend, Bollinger Band, ADX, MFI indicator, everything. We combine a lot of indicators. We select a high probable stock and we give that scanner for free for our software users. So basically, I know all the combinations. I was using charting for me. After leaving Spider Software, I was using charting for a lot of scanners, combinations. I was not profitable. But when I am reading CPR indicator and I'm trying to check that, I'm just wondering how it is working easily. There is narrow CPR, the market is trending. How? There is wide CPR, the market is range bound. How? So this fascinated me around in the last part of 2018. This was fascinating me. I started to do a lot of research about the CPR indicator. And my friend Amit, he gave me the CPR indicator in TradingView. He knows coding knowledge, so he gave me the CPR indicator in TradingView. He coded and gave me. And I am just analyzing it, how beautifully it's working. And that's how I started to trade in stock market. And that's how my price action trading started. Now, I learned CPR indicator by combining with, I did not attend the workshop of Frank Ochoa. I did not attend the workshop of Oliver Willis. I did not attend the workshop of Ashwani Gujral. I am trying to do everything by myself. A lot of trial and error trades, combining CPR and moving average, following moving average from Oliver Willis, following CPR from Frank Ochoa. No, and then slowly in 2019, slowly I started to make money. I make money, I lose money. I compare my winning trade and I compare my losing trade and I find out the reason. And then I make money continuously in 3 to 5 trades. I check why I made money and I follow that again and again and again. And then my profitable journey started. And then only I started to decide why don't we teach this for everybody? Why the strategy is kept hidden? In 2019, when I am posting videos about CPR strategies. Nobody knows about CPR indicator. Nobody know about CPR strategies. I decided, okay, let's teach. Let's teach this to everybody in Indian stock market. And that's how I started my YouTube channel. I started to teach strategies about CPR indicator. And now nobody is there without knowing CPR. So now from 2020, I'm a full-time trader. So this 2019, the later part of 2018, I learned about CPR, moving averages. Entire 2019 is a journey for me. Lot of trial and error trades. The first half, lot of trial and error trades, winning, losing, winning, losing, winning, losing. And the second half, I was a consistent winner. And then I decided this is the right time to become a full-time trader. And I started to become a full-time trader in 2020. I started my webinar on 2020. And now it's been almost 2 years I'm conducting webinar. All right. So this 2-3 years, I'm focusing more on stocks, focusing more on strategies, how to enhance the probability. We faced COVID crash. There was a COVID fall, and then there was a quick recovery, and then there was a range bound market because of Russia and Ukraine war. And again, there was a lot of volatility because of inflation. So we are upgrading our strategies. We are checking for the high probable entries. And this is how my journey is going on and on and on. All right. So now this is the table of contents. So now you all know very well about me. That's about me, about the intro. So these are the table of contents. First, we will look at the introduction. We will see why traders are losing. First, we will discuss the trading psychology, risk and money management part, and then we will go into the strategy session. Now, before starting the session, you have to understand one important point, that how long did it take to invent the first aeroplane? It almost took 6 years to discover the first aeroplane, a successful aeroplane. Even lot of inventors, lot of scientists have died, have sacrificed their life by trying to invent aeroplane. Now we are just paying money. We are comfortably going in the aeroplane. We are reaching places within 1 hour or 2 hours easily. But who is the first person to invent? It took him 6 years to be a successful inventor. And how long it took to see, now we are, each and everybody are in different states, and we are comfortably sitting in our home and we are attending the session. And it took almost 6 years to invent the first computer. Charles Babbage, father of computer, he discovered the first computer, and it took 6 years for him. And like this, we can tell anything. Discovery of car, discovery of steam engine, discovery of polio vaccine, discovery of anything. Now, same way, I have spent a lot of hard work in backtesting the CPR strategies for our Indian markets. I have spent a lot of hard work backtesting this moving average strategies for our Indian markets. How? See, Oliver Wells is using this moving average strategies for US markets. US markets is totally different. Apple is different. Facebook is different. Twitter is different. All the US companies are having a different market capitalization. They are having a different participation in their market. In our market, FIIs and DIIs are dominating, and the retail participant is very less. In our country, the retail participants in stock market is very less. Nearly only 3%, I guess. Only 3% of our Indian population is having demat account. I guess 3 to 10, I guess. But in US, almost 50% of their population are having a demat account. They are trading. So look at the participation in US market and look at the participation in Indian market. There is a huge difference. And Apple, Twitter, Facebook, Microsoft, these are $1 trillion companies. And trading US companies is totally different. The price is different, but the participation is not different. You are going to trade in Facebook, Apple, Twitter by looking at candlestick chart, but the participation is totally different. The volume is totally different, right? So I'm doing this moving average strategies for Indian market. See, the best thing which I did is trying to combine CPR and moving average together. No, CPR is a different thing. Moving average is a different thing. What I did, I made them to each other. I married both. No, why you both are single? You marry each other. So I am the person who conducted the marriage for CPR and moving average. Now, after combining these two indicators, the result is awesome. So this is the secret recipe of staying a profitable price action trader. Many people tells option buying is difficult. Only option sellers make money. Option buyers will not make money. Yes, of course, that's the truth. Only option sellers makes money 70% of the time. Even the data says 70% of the time the market is range bound. It means 70% of the time option sellers are winning, and only 30% of the time the market is trending. And in that 30% of the time when the market is trending, we are making money. In the 70% of the time when the market is range bound, we are making money, because we know when the market will be trending and when the market will not be trending. When the market is not trending, just stay away. Simple. When the market is trending, come on, that's the area. You are giving me biryani. Yes, that is the dish I want. I love to eat. You are giving me curd rice. No, I don't like. I don't want. I will not force myself eating curd rice. No, I don't like. I don't want. But you are giving me biryani. Yes, I like. I can eat 2 plates. So that's it. So we know when we combine the CPR, moving average, multi-time frame analysis, Dow theory, price action, now correlating the multi-time frame analysis, what is the trend in daily, hourly, what should we do in 5 minutes? Where is a high probable trade? Where is a low probable trade? In which trade I can make huge money? In which trade I'm going to shoot a little amount of money? We know that with our strategies. So that is how we are able to survive as a profitable traders in this market. So there is nobody to help me. I am trying to combine how to use this CPR, moving average. What is the combination? Lot of money I have lost by combining these. But now I am going to teach you the secrets. And now you are not going to lose money at all. You no need to do backtesting. You no need to do a lot of trial and errors like I did. When I am using CPR and moving average, I'm clueless. Whether I should take entry now, whether I should have taken entry there, whether I should wait for a good entry. Lot of confusions were there. And how to deploy a capital. Should I deploy 50% of my capital? Should I deploy my entire capital? So these are the trial and error things which I made a year almost. See, from 2014 till 2019, just imagine how much money I would have lost. Nearly 10 lakhs, 5 to 10 lakhs I would have lost. Because I have been constantly asking money from my parents. I have been constantly asking money from my friends, family members. I didn't even buy even a single mobile phone from my earning. You will not believe. My brother bought and gave me my first mobile phone. My brother bought and gave me the first two-wheeler. I didn't have money. All the money I earned from Carvey stockbroking, I lost in market. All the money I earned from Spider Software, I lost in market. All the money I earned from Zerodha stockbroking, I lost in market. Nearly 5 to 10 lakhs I would have lost. Every year when my college fees has to be paid, my parents send me the money to my bank account. I use that money for trading and I used to lose that. And finally in the semester, they give a condition. Only those who have paid the semester fees, they are allowed to write the examination. At that time, I tell my parents, I lost the you gave me money for college fees. I did this mini project. I did that mini project. I went for this college for culturals. I went for that college for conference. I used to tell lies, and finally, one time I got caught. I lost money in stock market, and I was got caught. So this is how I have been losing money for years and years. I used to get money from my sister. I used to get money from my sister at one side. I need money. I want to go with friends. I need 2,000 rupee. And at the same time, I call my brother also. I want money. I'm going with my friends. I'm going there. I need 2,000 rupee. So now I'm having 4,000. Like this, I used to cheat my family, parents, siblings, and I get money. And at times, I cheat my friends also. In 2017-18, when I'm working in Spider Software and Carvey Stockbroking, I used to tell my friends, with 10,000 rupee, you can easily make 20,000. You can easily make 30,000. I have cheated my friends and I have used that money for trading. So however I lost the money in stock market, now you are going to learn it very easily. That's what I said. Just think of the years of hard work done by those people who discovered aeroplane, who discovered computer. Now we are comfortably enjoying it. We are comfortably using it at the comfort of our home. Same way, these much hardships which was underwent by me, you are going to learn easily. The only thing is you have to follow this properly. All right. Now, why traders lose money in stock market? This is a very important point. Why people are losing money in stock market? See, you can tell a lot of reasons like, sir, people are losing money in stock market because they are not disciplined. They are not following risk management. They are not following money management. They don't know the technical analysis. They don't know anything about market. They are losing money. They are blindly following tips provider. They are blindly following calls. Apart from that, what is the technical reason? You can tell the chef did not cook well. The chef don't know cooking. He is not having experience. My wife is not having experience in cooking. She don't know to cook properly. She don't know to cook for 5 people. What is the technical reason? Salt is not there. What is the technical reason? Spiciness is not there. So I don't want the other reasons outside. I want the reason which is inside. So the technical reason why most of the traders are losing money is they don't know the trend. All right. Forget about the knowledge, or forget about they are not having money. They are they are using softwares for trading. They are using indicators for trading. They are not following risk management, money management. Forget about that. The technical reason why most of the traders are losing is they don't know the trend. Now let's say Banknifty is going to go up Monday. You will take more than 10-20 lots of Banknifty call option. If you know TCS is going to go up for next 1 month. Now let's say TCS is now Grasim. Grasim is around 1,600 rupee. Grasim is going to reach 3,000 in 2 days. If you know, what you will do? You will buy 10,000 shares of Grasim. You will buy 1 lakh shares of Grasim. Or at least you will buy 1,000 shares of Grasim. And you will make money. Right? So nobody knows the trend. That is the first reason. If you know the trend, you will buy a lot of quantities. If I know the trend, I will buy a lot of quantities. So I will make money easily. You also will make money easily. So the first and foremost reason why people are losing money in stock market is they don't know the trend. That is the truth. Now let's say you know the truth. You know how to find out the trend. Sir, I know how to find out the trend. I'm good at technical analysis. I know support, resistance, trend line. I know everything. But still you are losing money. Then the reason should be your poor entry and exit. Your poor entry and exit. Now let's say this is a resistance. For example, this is a resistance. If there is a breakout, you have to enter. If there is a breakout like this, you have to enter here. Let's say, for example. But what you will do, As soon as the candle reaches the resistance, as soon as the candle reaches the resistance, you will enter. You will enter here, right? And now the candle becomes like this. And now the candle becomes like this, and the candle comes down. So whose mistake is this? It's your mistake. It's your entry which you made mistake. Now what you will think, okay, the market will recover. The market is coming for a pullback. The market is coming for a retracement. Let me wait. Again, the market will fall. So the reason is your poor exit. The market is just coming for a pullback. Now the market will go up. Now the market will go up. Now the market will recover. No, that will not happen. So even if you know the trend, you know if there is a breakout at resistance or support, you have to go long, you have to go for a short, you know. But still you are losing money because you are taking your entry at the wrong time and you are making your exit at the wrong time. Now let's say you know everything. You know where to enter, where to exit. You know how to identify the trend. You are expert in technical analysis, but you are still losing the money. Why? Because you are trading against the overall market sentiment. What is that overall market sentiment? Now, let me show you the next slide. Now, this is the overall market sentiment. This is very important, actually. Look at this particular day. This picture was taken somewhere in the month of August only, August 3 or 4. I took this image, 3 or 4. Okay, look at this image. All the sectors are negative. Financial services is negative. Energy sector is negative. FMCG sector is negative. Automobile, metal sector, healthcare, pharma companies are negative. Construction, chemical company, construction, all the sectors are negative. Now only the IT companies are going up. TCS is going up. Infosys is going up. Infosys is going up. Stop taking long position. Stop taking long position. Don't take any long position. You are good at analyzing the trend. You are good at entry and exit. Now stop trading against the overall market sentiment. See, all the participants, all the traders are negative. All the market participants, all the people who are trading on that particular day, they are bearish in all the sector. Out of, let's say, 100 people are trading. Let's say, for example, almost 99 people are bearish. 99 people are going for a short opportunity. 99 people are going for a short opportunity. Now only one person is there going for long, is going for buy. Now what will be the mindset of that person? Oh my God, 99 people are going for a short. 99 people are selling. I am the only person to buy. Now you will doubt yourself. You are afraid. Oh my God, all are going for a short. I'm going for a buy. Right? So even the buyers in IT sector, they will be in panic. They will exit at any time. And still you will lose money. You analyzed TCS is going to go up. You entered at the superb breakout. But TCS is not going up. Because the people who are buying TCS are in panic. Oh my God, all the sectors is negative. All the sectors are going to fall. Oh my God, I have taken a long position unknowingly in TCS. What should I do? Should I exit with minimum profit? Should I exit with minimum loss? The people who are there sitting in IT companies are in panic or in scare. All right, so stop trading against the overall market sentiment. That is the next point. Now, everything is perfect. Still, you are losing money. Everything is perfect. You know the trend. You know where to enter and exit. You know the overall market sentiment, but still you are losing. It should be because of your emotional influence. It should be because of trading with huge quantity. Now, this is the main reason why most of my existing students are losing money. Sir, you taught this strategy, you taught that strategy. I bought 10 lots of Banknifty. I bought 10 lots of Banknifty. Hey man, you are new to my strategy, man. Just 1 week has went. You have taken my course. Why are you trading with 10 lots? As soon as he is taking 10 lots, he is getting a fear. The Banknifty is going 20 points up. He is looking at 5,000 profit. Super. He is looking 4,000 profit. Super. Now Banknifty is coming 30 points down. 7,500 rupees loss. Oh my God. Will I lose this trade? Will I lose this trade? Oh my God. Unknowingly, I took the position. The market is rejecting. The market is coming down. The market is coming for a pullback. Emotional influence, because you are trading with huge quantity. You have deployed your huge money. You are having 1 lakh rupee in your account. You have taken position for the entire 1 lakh. You get fear. Let's say I am taking position only for 1,000 rupee. I am not having any fear, just 1,000. If I get profit, I will get profit. Otherwise, no problem, 1,000 rupee only. I am very cool. I am very calm. But if I am taking a position for 1 lakh, oh my God, 1 lakh rupee. Oh my God. With this 1 lakh rupee, I would have run my life for 2-3 months. I would have taken care of my family for 2-3 months. You get the emotional influence. Just understand. All right. See, even if you are a chief minister's son, even if you are a prime minister's son, even if you are a relative of Ambani, Adani, even if you are a jewelry shop owner, no matter, you have to start small only. All right. You have to start small. From today, you have to start small. Sir, I am Ambani relative. Let it be. Let it be, no problem. Since you are a relative of Ambani, are you ready to lose 1,000 crore in market? Are you ready to lose 100 crores in market? No. Sir, I am a jewelry shop owner. For that, will you lose 1 crore? Stop your ego. Stop fighting with the market. The market is not your competitor. The market is supreme. The market is like God. Will you fight with God? Can you control the natural calamities? No. Because God is supreme. You cannot control the natural. Can you stop the rain? Can you stop the sun? No. It's supreme. Natural calamities are supreme. God is supreme. Same way, can you stop TCS from falling? Can you stop market from falling? Can you make the Banknifty to go up? No. Market is supreme. So market is equal to God. Stop fighting with the God. You are going to lose. If you are fighting with the God, He will punish you. If you are fighting with the natural calamities, if you are fighting with the sea, you will sink in the sea and you will die. If you fight with the fire, you will burn and you will die. If you fight with the market will take all the money from you and you will lose. As for me, market is equal to God because I cannot control the market. Market is equal to natural calamities. It is equal to nature. We cannot control the market. So market is supreme. We should respect the market. We should not fight with the market. Though you are having 1 crore rupee, no problem. In stock market, you can lose 1 crore rupee in a single day. And then you will think, oh my God, I have lost 1 crore rupee in a single day. With this 1 crore rupee, I would have run my life for 10 years. Yes or no? Please tell me yes or no. With 1 crore rupee, you can run your life for 10 years, but you can lose it in a single day. You have to understand that. So you have to choose your trade carefully. You have to choose your trade very carefully. Losing money is very, very easy in market. So always remember, from today, write it down in your diary. From today, you have to start only with 20,000 rupees. Divide the 20,000 into 4 parts. See, why I am telling start with 20,000? Because I am having a concern for you. I don't want you to lose money. I don't want you to suffer. I don't want you to see suffering. No. You are my student. It's my responsibility to take care of you. It's my responsibility to take care of you. It's my responsibility to make you happy. It's my responsibility to make you pass in this trading. I don't want to see you failing. No teacher in school or college, no teacher wants their student to fail. They want their student to study well. They want their student to get good marks. They want their student to get placed in good companies. That's what I am also thinking. I want you all to be a successful traders. So start small, start with 20,000. Even in this 20,000, we are not going to deploy entire 20,000. We are not going to take position for entire 20,000. Remember, we are going to take position only with a little amount. Divide this 20,000 into 4 parts. All right, divide into 4 parts. 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%. So 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000. So 25% is 5,000, 50% is 10,000, 75% is 15,000, and 100% is 20,000. Deploy only 25% of your capital initially in your learning phase. Now you are going to access the recordings for 30 days. You are going to be in the Telegram channel for 30 days. In this 30 days, the first 15 days, I want you all to deploy only 25% of your capital. That is, you have to take position only with 5,000 rupee. I want to see all your dashboard. I want to see all your funds page in your trading account. I want to see only 20,000, not less, not 1 rupee less, not 1 rupee higher. I want to see all your funds page having 20,000 rupee. I want you all to trade with 5,000 rupee for first 15 days. That is 25% of your capital. I want to see only 25% of your capital deployed. You take 1 lot, you take 2 lot, no problem. But you have to deploy only 5,000 rupee. Got it? You have to deploy only 5,000 rupee. Generally, now, after experience, after 15 days or after 1 year or after 2 years, after becoming an experienced trader, generally don't never deploy at any point of time more than 50% of your capital. Manish, you can ask your question later. Please see, remember guys, now you are going to listen only to me. When I give you the time for asking questions, at that time you ask your questions. Otherwise, it will be distracting my flow. All right. So I want everybody to listen. I will give you time for question and answer. Don't worry. So generally, even now I am following this. I never deploy more than 50% of my capital. Don't deploy more than 50% of your capital. Even after 2-3 years, please don't forget this rule. All right. If you are deploying more than 50% of your capital, it requires a lot of skill, experience. Your emotions should be paralyzed. You should not have any emotions. Like Mr. Bean is going for a roller coaster ride. He will not have any emotions. He will be simply sitting like this. So you should not have any emotions if you are deploying more than, let's say my capital is 20 lakhs. I'm taking position for 15 lakhs. So my emotions should be under control. When I'm taking a position for 50, I'm looking at generally I never take position for 15 lakhs until and unless there is a excellent setup. All the, like you are going for an airport. First, there is a security check outside, and then you are going in, you are putting in your luggage, And then again, there is a security check. And then only you are getting into the gate. And again, people are checking your tickets. No? Same way, lot of ticks I have to make. The market has to satisfy all my checklist. Only then I'm going to deploy more than 50% of my capital. Now, when I'm taking a position for more than 50% of my capital, just look at my MTM. It swings between minus 50,000, minus 1 lakh, minus 1 lakh, minus 50,000, and then it comes down to minus 20, minus 10, and then it closes at plus 25, plus 30, plus 50. So a lot of emotions are in control. 20 lakh capital, no, average Indian salary is somewhere around 3 to 5 lakhs per annum. Average Indian salaried person is per annum is 3 to 5 lakhs. I'm trading with 20 lakhs. I'm risking my 20 lakhs in a single day in a trade. Then just look at my emotion control. With that 20 lakh, I can run my family for so many years. But I'm risking my 20 lakhs. Then the setup should be that much perfect. So even you have to follow this. See, generally what you people are thinking, okay, only 1 lakh rupee, no problem. Let me take position for 1 lakh. Only 20,000 rupee, no problem. Even if I lose this 20,000, no problem at all. My salary is 50 lakhs per thousand, 50,000 per month. I'm getting incentives a lot. My salary is 1 lakh per month, no problem. Just 20,000. Let me take position for 20,000. No, you should not look at your funds like that. Look at your funds in terms of percentage. Only then you can win. Look at your profits in terms of percentage. Only then you can win. Until that, you are not going to be a profitable trader. If you are looking at your capital as 20,000, 1 lakh, then you are not going to win. You have to look at your capital as percentage. Okay, in this trade, I'm going to deploy only 50%. Whether it is 5,000 or whether it is 10,000 or whether it is 5 lakh or 50 lakh, doesn't matter. If the setup is okay, then I'm going to deploy only 50% of my capital, less than 50% of my capital. If the setup is awesome, then I'm going to deploy 100% of my capital, or I'm going to deploy only 70 to 80% of my capital. Look at a percentage, whether you are having 1,000 or 1 crore capital. All right. So note it down in your diary. Always look at your funds in terms of percentage. Always look at your profits in terms of percentage. All right. So now we are going to the next slide. Now here there is a picture that I'm going to ask you all a question. Here there is a picture. Now this is basket 1 and this is basket 2. This is basket 3. This is basket 4 and this is basket 5. Now this cute little boy is throwing a ball into the baskets, right? He's throwing the balls into the baskets. Now my question is, in which basket it is easy for the boy to throw the ball? Which basket? Which basket is easy to throw the ball? The boy is having a lot of balls in his hand. Which basket he can throw the ball easily? The right answer is 1. The right answer is 1. Because look at the distance between the boy and the basket. The first basket is very closer to him. The first basket is very closer to him. So he can easily throw the ball in that particular basket. Now look at the distance between the boy and the second basket. The distance is little high, a little distance. Look at the distance between the boy and the fourth basket. The distance is little high. Look at the distance between the boy and the third basket. From here to here, the distance is very high. And fifth basket, no need to tell at all. It is the far away. It is very far away. So it is easy for the boy to throw the ball very easily into the first basket because the distance is very less, right? The distance is very less. Same way, remember, same way, choose a trade which is easy for you. I will teach you a lot of strategies. Choose a trade which is easy for you, which is choose a trade, take a trade only when there is a high probable setup. Choose a trade which you understand the most, which you are good at. Sir, I'm good at cooking biryani. Then cook that. Sir, I don't know how to cook sambar. I don't know how to cook chapati. It is difficult for me to roll the chapati. Then stop. Don't cook chapati. Sir, it is easy for me to cook curd rice. Sir, it is easy for me to make chicken 65. What you know, do that. I don't know computer coding. I have zero knowledge about computer programming, no, C++, Python. No, during my school days, my parents told, go to a computer class during your summer holidays. It will be useful for you. I refused to go. I was playing cricket with my friends. I was playing video games with my friends during my school summer holidays. And now I am suffering. I don't know coding. I don't know how to backtest my strategies. I don't know how to automate my strategies. Now I am feeling the difficulty. I don't know anything about coding. If you ask me to code, how will I do? Now you are good at coding. I am asking you to take position for 1 lakh rupee. How can you take? You cannot take. Same way, if you are all focusing on a difficult strategy, you don't know whether the market will go up or not. The setup looks okay, but whether I should enter here or I should have entered there, I don't know. Then stop trading. Don't take position. Oh my God, Reliance has already given the perfect setup, but still it is going. Shall I enter now? But still it is going. Shall I enter now? Stop. Don't take position. If our entry is here, you have to enter here. You should not enter there. Okay. I am conducting session in Zoom. If you are waiting in Google Meet, what I will do? Our entry is here. You are entering there. Stop it. Take a trade which is easy for you. Take a trade which is easily understandable for you. Other trades, ignore. No problem. No problem at all. The market is going to be here forever and ever and ever. When I was working in Carvi, they celebrated Nifty 10,000. Wow, super. They celebrated Nifty 10,000. Now Nifty is trading at 17,000, 18,000. The market will be here forever. Okay. So don't worry that you are losing the trade today. Oh my God, I did not trade today. Oh my God, I did not trade yesterday. Are you a drug addict? Oh my God, I did not take drugs yesterday and today. My hands are shivering. I want to quickly light a cigar. I want to quickly take a glass of whiskey. No. Just understand the reality. If there is a setup which you don't understand, just leave the setup. Wait for your setup to come and then you enter. You will make money. Out of 20 trading sessions in a month, there are days where the market is giving a high probable trade for 3-4 days or even 5 to 6 days. Even in that 3-4 days, if you're taking a trade and if you're making money, still you make more than 20% returns in your capital. Still you make more than 10% return on your capital. But how many of my students are following that? Nobody. So ultimately in stock market, what you have to follow is your mindset. You have to control your mind. You have to control your emotions. That is the important thing. Right? So always choose a trade which is easy for you, where the setup is good. Now you are going to follow me right now. Now from this, so far the introduction is over. So for the introduction is over. Now you know what is the motive of conducting this webinar. I have said why I am conducting this webinar. This is the 100 batch special webinar. No, people were requesting me to do webinar. So you know the reason for conducting this webinar. You know the reason why people are losing money in stock market. We saw that why people are losing money in stock market. We saw risk and money management, a simple risk and money management. We have talked about money management. We will discuss more about risk management. How much percentage you should risk, how much percentage you should risk per day, how much percentage you should risk per month, how much percentage I am risking every day, how much percentage I am risking every month. I will teach you. You just follow me. You are going to spy on me from this very moment. And you all know about me, how my journey evolved. We saw how difficult it is to backtest a strategy, how to design a strategy, and now you are going to get it for free. All right, so the introduction part is over. Now from this very second, you are going to follow me how I am doing my trading. You are going to now from this slide, what you are going to do is you are going to see me how I am analyzing a stock, how I am applying my CPR indicator, how I am applying moving average, where I am deciding my entry and exit, and how much capital I am allocating in that particular trade. You are all going to follow me. We are going to see Dow theory to identify the trend, general trend. We can use Dow theory, support, resistance, trend line, everything, just to identify the trend. And then we will cross check with CPR for kind of confirmation, trend confirmation. Is the trend really bullish or bearish? Is the market is going to be trending or range bound? For the confirmation, we are going to use CPR, and we are going to use moving average for trend confirmation, as well as for entry and exit. Now together we call this as price action trading, a successful, a secret recipe of profitable trading as an option buyer for option, secret recipe for option buying. So this is what we are going to discuss. Now this is like we are going to see. Now we all know for cooking biryani, we know we need basmati rice, and we need some spices. We need salt, we need other masala items, we need chicken. No, these are the things we need. Now how, and then collectively we call this as biryani, right? We collectively call this as biryani. Now we are going to see how basmati rice is cultivated. How basmati rice is cultivated by the farmers. How spices are cultivated, from which state, how they are cultivating it, how farmers are giving spices, how salt is being cultivated in the seaside, how masala is powdered from the raw material, how chicken is grown in the farm and now it is coming for us. We are all going to see that in depth. Okay, so that's what we are going to see. Dow theory in depth. So I'm comparing with biryani so that you understand easily, you will not forget. And we are going to see in depth about CPR. We are going to see in depth about moving average. And collectively it is called as price action trading, like we call it as a biryani, right? Now here you will get swing trading ideas, you will get intraday trading ideas, and even you get scalping ideas. You get carry forward ideas. All the ideas are included here. So no worries at all. So what's the trend? So every time, whether you are taking a trade in 5 minutes or whether you are taking a trade in hourly chart, whether you are a scalper, whether you are a day trader, whether you are a positional trader, no matter, always remember you have to identify the trend first. Without identifying the trend, how can I take long? Whether I should take a long or short, how do I know? I don't know. So first I have to identify the trend. And for identifying the trend, we are going to use Dow theory. Now in Dow theory, there are 6 principles. Remember, Charles Dow is the father of technical analysis. Don't forget that. He is the father of technical analysis. He has correlated 6 principles in Dow theory. In that, we are going to follow only one principle. We are going to follow the 3 market trend principle. No other principle is needed. We are not going to follow all the 6 principles. We are not going to study all the 6 principles. No, we are going to follow only the 3 market trend principle. Monthly pullback is equal to, it's like a formula, A plus B is equal to A square plus B square, no, like that. Monthly pullback is equal to weekly fall. Now, what will be the weekly pullback? Can anybody answer me? I want everybody to answer. I'm going to make everybody a profitable trader. Now, what will be the weekly pullback? Weekly pullback is equal to, answer please, answer from everybody, all the participants. Oh my God, everybody are answering correctly. Oh, all are answering perfectly, right? Now, daily pullback, come on. Daily pullback, come on, answer quickly. Let's see the answers. Wow. Great. Now, hourly pullback. Come on, let's see the answers. Everybody participate. No rocket science. Excellent. Not 15 minutes or 30 minutes, it's 5 minutes fall. Great answers. Beautiful answers. I'm going to select GAIL, quickly, random stock, GAIL. I'm going to check a trend in GAIL. Okay. Now here the GAIL, the trend is range bound. That's all, simple. I have completed my activity. Here there is a support. Here there is a resistance. Now GAIL is stuck in between a support and resistance. Here there is a tough support. All right. Now GAIL is stuck inside a support and resistance. This is resistance 1. This is support 1. This is support 2. This is resistance 2. GAIL is inside a range bound market. I will not take GAIL for trading in my lifetime. That's all. My activity is over. If it is a trending stock, if it is trending, draw the resistance and support zone. Check in weekly where the resistance is broken. Do activity right now. Take any stock and post your chart here. Now I have completed my activity. I am the first person to submit my chart. I have submitted my chart. I want charts from everybody. Come on, do your activity. Spend your time with chart. Come on. We should not forget this pattern next time. I am not the kind of person who will teach and run away. That's all. Bye. Give me review. Give me feedback. Thank you. I want everybody to learn. I want everybody to be profitable trader. If you are all profitable, your all family will be happy and I will be blessed for generations to come. That's the biggest thing which money can't buy. Your mothers, your fathers will bless me. Your children, your wives, your husbands will bless me. That's priceless. I want everybody to submit your charts in the chat box. I am waiting to check. Write a description like this. Gail, this is Gail is inside. Gail is inside monthly resistance and support, range bound and avoid. That's all. That's all. Avoid. That's all. Now I'm going to trade in Banknifty. I'm a trader in Banknifty. Most of my trades are in Banknifty. Almost. See, those who are not able to join Telegram session, Telegram channel, please don't worry. After the session gets over, I will check. Okay, or my staff will be checking that later. You just give a message in WhatsApp. If you are not able to join Telegram channel, if you are not able to post your charts in Telegram channel, quickly ping a message in WhatsApp. No, I'm not able to join the Telegram channel. My registered email ID is this. That's all. My staff will get back to you. They will check the error and they will add you. No problem. Okay, just have patience. Now let us get back to the session. Why do we actually use CPR indicator? Now I am a trader in Banknifty. Almost 80% of my trades are in Banknifty only. Now, how do I take a decision? In Banknifty? Now, we saw Dow theory so far. How to understand the trend using Dow theory. We discussed about Dow theory. What is the trend? We discussed about reconfirmation the trend. We have discussed about CPR. Now we have to discuss about moving average. Our decision is here, guys. Don't worry. We have not yet covered the decision making. Right? So forget about entry and exit. First, focus on the study. Focus on the progress. I want you all to reconfirm the trend in stocks. Few people are using extended trade session. Few people are use RTH. Okay, use regular trading hours. Don't use extended trading hours. You should not use ETH. Don't use ETH. In your chart, if you are seeing this yellow color line, it is wrong. It is wrong. Switch it off immediately. Instead of ETH, click that and change it to RTH, regular trading hours. 9:15 to 3:30. That is the right time. So far, we saw Dow theory and we are checking the trend. No, we are not checking what if the trend is like this, what if the trend is like that. No, we are checking whether it is bullish, bearish. 40 CNBC. Danger ahead. The US economy has yet to face its biggest recession challenge. Even in Money Control, I read an article last week. In Money Control, one of the famous person, he said recession may soon come. Okay, so because of this US recession, IT companies are struggling. So what I will tell is, in this kind of recession situation, you can avoid IT sector. For swing trading, you can go for scalping. In this case, you can go for scalping in IT companies. So as per the global news, we have to adapt accordingly. And write it down in your diary quickly. So our step 1 is Dow theory. Quickly write it in your diary. And our step 2 is CPR trend confirmation. And finally, we are going to step 3, moving average confirmation. See, those who want to leave, you can leave. Those who are having any schedules, any works, you can leave. But please don't forget to submit the assignment. 3 stocks. Do similar kind of analysis and tell me the trend. See, throughout the day, from morning till now, we have studied how to identify the trend. Once we identify the trend, then it is easy for us to take a decision, a strong, confident decision. And after all, it's just the matter of entry and exits. Good morning, everyone. I hope the video and audio clarity is good. So day 2 session is going to be very, very important. So we have launched the poll and I'm sharing the results right now in front of you. You can see the results that how many of you are having the habit of going to gym or walking or yoga or meditation regularly. So 41% of our participants are going or doing occasionally. Even I belong to that category. I am also having a habit of hitting the gym or doing yoga occasionally. And 32% are not having that habit. are not having that habit, and 29% are going regularly. So 29% of our people are going regularly to the gym. That is really good. 32% are not having that habit. That is not good actually. And 41% are having the habit of going occasionally. When you are not having a habit which you can't follow regularly, the same habit will reflect in trading as well. See, most of us are not having the habit of going to the gym regularly. So somewhere we are lagging in discipline, right? So that discipline will reflect in trading also. We have to follow only the setups which we are seeing now. But what our mind does, our mind will be going to a setup which is not desirable, a setup which is not necessary, a setup which is looking bad. So this is what most of our people are doing as an option buyer. See, only 30% of the time the market is trending, 70% of the time the market is range bound. So that means 70% of the time option sellers are winning and only 30% of the time option buyers are winning. Now we are surviving in this 70% of the range bound market also. How we are surviving in this 70% of this range bound market? We are surviving because we are having a specific setup. Only if that setup comes, we will enter. If that setup is not coming, we will not enter. If your bus comes, you will enter. If your bus doesn't comes, you will not enter. You are working in TCS and your TCS bus comes, you enter into the bus. Since your bus is not coming, will you enter into HCL Technologies bus? Will you enter into a school bus? But you are doing this in trading. Why? You are doing this in trading. Why? Now I am teaching you how to drive a manual gear shift car. I am teaching you how to drive a manual gear shift car. You are asking me, sir, how to drive an automatic car? Sir, how to drive a bus? Sir, how to drive a truck? Sir, how to drive a steering which is in the left side? You are complicating the things. You are complicating the things. When you practice a manual gear shift car, drive it for a few months. Automatically, you can drive automatic shift car. It comes with ease. You no need to worry. Just a small adjustments. Your left leg will be busy in the clutch when you drive a manual car. Now your left leg will be free. That's all. Only a small change. When you are good at driving a car, it is not difficult to drive a bus. The only technical thing which you want to focus is the radius, the turning radius, the length of the bus. So ultimately, what you should do now, you should practice how to drive a manual car properly. Before driving a manual car properly, you are going to how to drive a bus, how to drive a truck, how to drive a left steering wheel car. You are complicating the things. The problem is with you, not with the market, not with the strategy. The problem is with you. You are focusing on a stock which is not having a setup. Whose fault is that? Your fault. If the setup looks awkward, if you are not able to find out the trend properly, just avoid that stock. Just avoid that stock. Nobody is going to question you. The setup is looking good in Titan. Focus on Titan. The setup is looking good in TCS. Focus on TCS. The setup is not looking good in GAIL, but you are focusing on GAIL. You are concerned about GAIL. Many people are loving you, but you are focusing on a person who is not loving you. That's true. Your family members are loving you. Your friends are loving you. Your relatives are loving you. But you are focusing on one girl who is not loving you. So that is concerning you too much. So whatever happens in real life, guys, it applies to trading. If you understand this reality, then you can easily become a profitable trader and successful trader. All right. So with this, we will start the session. Now, quickly, I want to go through yesterday's topics. I'm going to start with Tata Steel. Remember, this is how you have to do analysis every day, from today onwards. So Tata Steel, this is monthly chart. In monthly chart of Tata Steel, though the prices are looking, so you all understood very clearly. That's good. Entry and exit decision. So this is going to be very, very important, right? Once trend is identified in step 1, step 2, and step 3. What is step 1? We take our entries purely based on hourly and 5 minutes. So far, we were studying monthly, weekly, and daily. That is just to identify the trend. We are going to take our entries only based on hourly and 5 minutes chart. And here the location plays very important role. Right? I need the perfect location. If my location is not coming, I'm not going to enter. Just now we saw in Tata Steel. And more importantly, understanding the candlestick psychology is equally important. Understanding the candlestick psychology is also important. Sir, what are the candlestick I have to follow? Should I follow bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, bullish Arami, bearish Arami, evening star, morning star, shooting star? Nothing. What I am telling is not candlestick pattern. I am telling about candlestick psychology. Candlestick psychology is different. Candlestick pattern is different. Okay. I will give you a quick activity. Check in your stocks. Yesterday, you have done assignments in stocks. Next 15 minutes, it's going to be an activity. The next 15 minutes, we will go for question answer session. So till 11:45, I want you all to observe in your charts till 11:45 or even 11:50. Observe, do assignment. It is an assignment session. We will start Q&A from 11:50. 11:50 a.m. We are going to have a Q&A. Okay, have a quick lunch and come back. Students Telegram link is already provided. See, those who are not in students Telegram group, or those who are not in Telegram discussion group, you can text me in Telegram. Okay, my Telegram number is same, 730-5432-730. You can text me in Telegram. If you are not in Telegram channel, I will add you. Okay, guys, thank you. Thank you all for attending today's session. Thank you for attending my webinar.